So far, we've talked about what it means to swim and what it means to be safe. Now we're going to look at what it takes to learn, not just the physical, but the mental. We use a real simple structure that builds you from the foundation up, right? We know anything worth building has a strong foundation. We model it after something familiar, how you start a race, even though this isn't a race, but it makes a good, clear way to think about it. If you're starting a race, we say, get ready, get set, and go. 2 mental steps to 1 physical. This is where we get our 80-20 rule. Get ready and get set. Those are the mental framing that we need for the action step. Now, this is all powered by how we feel. Remember, just like our swimming definition, it's based on calm and ease, not fancy strokes or particular strokes. Your progress depends on how well your brain and your body stay connected at each moment. So let's walk through these 3 steps. Get ready, get set, and go. Get ready is knowing where you are. I have to get myself together, get here, get present in this moment. To begin with, we need to locate you, not just on the pool deck or in this case in front of your computer, but also your internal experience. Often your mind is racing to the future or to the past. This is your saboteurs getting loud. Things like, you're not going to get it right, or in the past it was wrong, or what about this? It's these voices that are trying to protect you, but they're keeping you out of the present moment. The sage part of you can be in the present moment to see, right now, I'm not in danger. Right now, I can feel my feet on the floor next to the pool in 1 inch of water, that I have breath. This is practicing the mental fitness that goes into the swimming. We have to get ourselves calmly in the present right now and out of the swirl of the story. Step number 2, get set. This is about where we want to go, choosing where we want to go. Now, this isn't about chasing your safety, right? Remember, we have to be safe as we learn, as we go along. So you might have the idea of getting across the pool. That's the general goal. But we also want to look at, how do I want to feel as I'm getting across the pool? Do I want to feel safe the whole time? Do I want to feel grounded the whole time? Calm, curious? We have to integrate how we want to feel as part of going towards the goal, because that is what is going to keep us connected. That being able to stay in safety, feel that I have air, remaining in calm. So we're creating, not just reacting or pushing. The third piece, the go, we do have to step into action. You can say you're taking an action here today by watching this video. Your action steps are going to change and progress over time. The key is that our action step is just the right size. So if the goal is to get across the pool, the right size action step might not be putting your face in the water and moving your arms and legs. It might be walking while holding on to the side of the pool. What is the way that I can take an action step that is exactly the right for me, that I can stay connected to the way I feel? I can stay connected to safe or not safe. I have air, I have calm. This is where the real power and change comes. Once we take an action step, we're back at the beginning again. We're back at the get ready. We're back at your story. You have a new story that you're telling yourself. Is this story helping you, or is this story holding you back? Is this a sage story or a saboteur story? So this is where we're going to dive into. You get a chance to take some action steps here. We're going to take some calm, curious, present foundational steps to get you moving closer and closer to your swimming dream. Wait on over to the next lesson where we're going to get into a bit of action. You still don't need your swimsuit.